Hello, welcome back. So today, what did we have? We were in between a daily gap. Yeah, let's jump right into it. We were below this daily gap, 4 hour gap below. Um, Off open, pushed in a daily gap. I'm like, all right. I kind of figured we open up right here, and then from there we just kind of chop down to the 4 hour gap. I did not want to take a trade as I knew we were rangy. I could have placed a trade, stop up here, and just not go break even and hold, which, that's realistically what you have to do just because you know how we have been moving. You can't go break even. Um, so, yeah, no trade for me. If you wanted to take something, you would have just had to short off of like the top of one of these moves. Ideally this one or like right here. But, you know, for 1 hour, I'm not holding that. And then from there, we just ended up going up the rest of the day. So, I mean, yeah, that's that's pretty much it. Pretty simple day. Tap daily, tap 4 hour, go up. Now, what are we doing from here? Closed into the daily gap, wicked above here as well. And then on the 4 hour, you can see we have this gap, which we went into. We were down here, right? But now it looks like we are flipping back up. So on the 4 hour, we're bullish. Uh, daily is like bearish, right? We're in this gap, so you don't want to long. But then you go down to the 4 hour, it's like, okay, 4 hour is clearly bullish. We tap this gap, depending how we react on it overnight is gonna depict like what we do tomorrow. And then on the 1 hour, I was at first looking at it and like, okay, we are most likely going to disrespect this low, but then in the last 10 minutes, I guess we just flipped up. Hella, yeah. So yeah, depending on what we do overnight, it's looking like we're just gonna range here now. Assuming we chop higher, but we could react from this daily. But then the bigger picture is the monthly is so incredibly bullish. We tap a monthly gap, but the question is, does ES want to go tap it as well? We don't know. So yeah, we don't know. So we just got to give it time. We got to see. I'm not gonna trade unless I understand everything. And today, honestly, I didn't understand anything below the 4 hour. The time, it was just a bit choppy. I'm like, okay, I don't know where we're gonna go. We're wicking high, the lowest time frame. That's kind of clear that I could kind of understand is this. And what did we do? Tap that, come up. So from there, I'll choose where we go tomorrow. But I have my notes right here. Let's go ahead and get these done. All right, so we just went ahead and finished that. This is pretty much all I have. There we go. So yeah, let's go ahead full screen that. Okay, that was no help. So, in the future, I could possibly be open to really being one with the market conditions and shorting towards that 4 hour gap with my stops at the high and just holding my balls, waiting for it to hit, But right now, I just don't feel like I trust myself enough to do that. So I didn't want to risk it. I sat out, mentally saw the chart, knew I wasn't going to trade. We were so close to both draws, so I sat out. I'm happy with that. And then reason for taking would have been you have to enter off of one of the deep retraces on the 1 minute, stops at the range high, not go break even, and just wait till we tap that 4 hour gap, either win or lose, No trade. Super simple day. I'm not going to backtest. It's late. Got to get some stuff done before I go to bed. Um, so yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow. We'll see what happens, just be on sides with the market, don't get caught off guard, and be reasonable.